Hello, Meenu ma'am.
Hi, Surbhi. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. Welcome to my channel. I'm really elated to connect with you for my channel. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you for having me. Thank you for inviting me on your channel. I am really glad to be here.
Oh, so am I. It's always pleasure connecting with you. So, ma'am, my viewers have been asking me to make some videos related to, where I can teach PTM vocabulary and phrases and sentences. So, who is better than you in this role play? I'm sure that, you as an expert can teach really well. So, I can have this role play with you where we're having this PTM conversation. We assume that one is a parent, another one is a teacher, and we're discussing child's progress in class. Shall we begin?
Okay. Yes, yes, yes. I'm
Okay,
also really excited to have this role play conversation with you.
great. So you are a teacher right now. I'm a parent. We'll do
Correct.
this role play first like this, and later, after finishing this, we'll switch the roles. Then you become a
Okay.
parent, I become a teacher. Okay?
Okay,
So
okay, sure.
questions
Yeah.
remain the kind of same. You can mold a little bit, that's fine. It's just that my viewers will know how they can have conversations in PTMs, right?
Okay.
Shall
Great. Yeah.
Okay. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Surbhi.
I am Divisha's mother.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah,
you're Divisha's mother.
yes,
So,
ma'am.
where is her father? He didn't come along with you?
Yeah, actually, he's at work. He could not find time to attend this PTM, so I'm
Okay.
here.
No worries, no worries.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, tell me first, what kind of questions do you have for me?
Yeah, ma'am. I'm talking about Divisha's academic growth. I would like to
Mhm.
know how she's doing in her studies right now in class.
She's been doing pretty well with Hindi, GK, even in sports, but with maths, she struggles with maths sometimes. So I have to give her extra questions. And whenever I ask her to do those extra questions so that she gets extra practice, she never does her homework on time. So, that's no point of giving her more homework. Have you ever looked into it?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I try doing the same at home. When
Okay.
I give that questions and sums in the form of game, she does it. But when I just write it on a paper and give it to her, she's a bit reluctant to do that. So yeah, with maths, she needs more practice. And I can understand this comes from me also because I was really bad in maths in my childhood.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Hmm.
yeah,
So yes, you will have to make learning maths fun for her. Then only she will
yeah.
take interest.
Yeah,
Yeah.
ma'am. Well, we
Mhm.
are doing that, but I have realized that she needs more encouragement. And when you just,
Yes.
give her more affection and encouragement, she takes interest in doing the things. So it's just a
Yes.
request to be little more encouraging. Although I know all teachers in the school are doing so well for kids, but still, it's a small request,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, yes. I do that. Whenever some child is able to solve one maths problem, even if they are not able to do nine of them, I still encourage them. And I would like you also to give her the same atmosphere at home because they stay at home for, 70% of the times.
Yes,
And if
ma'am.
they don't get encouragement, if you just keep looking at her math score, that will not work because when you say that my child has done very well and I am proud of you, then she will be more encouraged to do it better.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we keep on encouraging her a lot actually. But I believe, kids they start taking their mothers for granted, especially their mothers, not fathers. I have seen that at home with my daughter. Okay, ma'am. And what about her behavior in class? Uh, I hope she doesn't fight with her classmates. She is doing well that way.
She is friendly, she talks to many people, gets along with so many of them, but she keeps talking too much in the class and distracts other children also.
Oh.
And sometimes she doesn't pay attention in the class and makes other children also do the same. So that's a nuisance in the class.
Oh, I will talk to her, ma'am, and I'll tell her not to do this again because I know it can be distracting. I have an idea. You better make her sit with a student who doesn't talk, or maybe who is not friends with my daughter. So that way she won't
Yes.
talk, right? So
Yes, yes, yes.
you can do
Yes,
that,
we
ma'am.
can do that so that she doesn't talk much.
Yes,
But
yes.
does she complain of anything at home about the
No,
school?
nothing much. No, it's in actually bus. One child bullies her sometimes, irritates
Okay.
her. So yeah, I will talk to the transport department, talk in the transport department because it has nothing to do with her classmates.
Definitely.
And
Yes.
ma'am, I want to tell you that my daughter has keen interest in dance.
Okay.
Whenever there is some dance competition or any activity related to dance, please consider her because she really likes it.
Definitely, definitely. And I have seen she participates in everything. She volunteers for so many activities. I
Yeah,
think she's quite active in so many other things than,
yeah.
in not just in academics. So yes, and I think you should also make her join some dance classes or something, because if it is her hidden talent, you should bring it out.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
should just support her with that.
I just noticed a few days ago that she imitates other dance steps, whatever she watches on YouTube or any other video, she tries to copy that. So this is why
Hmm.
I started to realize that maybe she likes dancing. Okay, I will definitely do
Yes.
that because summer break is around the corner. So during that
Hmm.
time, I will enroll her for some dance class. And ma'am, just recently you conducted an art and craft competition in classroom, but are the
Which
results
competition?
art and craft competition?
Okay, okay. Yes,
When
yes.
will be the results out?
I think it will take a day or two.
Oh, did she make something? Did you notice?
Yeah, she was taking keen interest in her drawings and was very passionate about making it. So maybe she wins the prize. I'm hoping that.
Okay.
So she has so many interests. Like, gone are the days when people could only be successful with studies. There are
Yeah,
so many different career options these days.
I
So
agree.
you don't need to worry about that, and
Yeah.
encourage her in everything she does. I mean, does her father criticize her for getting less marks in maths?
No, no, not at all.
Okay,
That way,
nobody does that.
even we relate that because even I was not that good in studies in my childhood. I was more of a creative child, so I can completely relate that it's not just about marks or academic subjects anymore. It's about creativity also. And yes, you're right. Now we have a lot of options. I mean, look at content creation. Now some schools are adding content creation also as a subject. So
Right.
yeah, I
Yes,
believe
yes.
it's growing.
Yeah, government
Yes.
has approved that, and content creators, like, this is a valid profession now.
Yeah, valid profession.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Yes.
And now, ma'am, my last question for you. Like, any area, do you think there is any area of improvement where I need to work as a parent from my end so that we can work at home also?
Yes, I think she is not very punctual. She generally comes to school late. And the other thing is, she never submits her homework on time.
Oh,
Maybe she just likes hanging out with her friends, and she takes part in arts and all. So, like, she's quite creative, but maybe she doesn't like to do her homework on time. So, you look into that. Okay.
yes, ma'am. I will definitely look after this, and thank you for your feedback. It's really helpful. Thank you. Now,
Yes.
ma'am, we will switch the roles. Now, I am a teacher, and you are a parent, right?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
let's see how it goes. Yeah.
Good morning, Surbhi ma'am. I have come with my child.
Yeah.
Do
Good
you know
morning,
whose
ma'am.
child is mine?
Yeah, she's Divisha. I know her, and you are her mother, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yo,
So
please be
she's in
seated.
class 8. Yeah. How is she doing in academics? Let me know that first.
Yeah, see, overall, she's doing quite well, especially English, EVS, science. She has keen interest in physics. I have noticed that. Actually, a science teacher told me a few days ago. But
Okay.
yes, when it comes to maths, she's bit, I can say, average. Although she puts her efforts, but then she's bit average. She needs more practice with that.
Hmm. I think she has taken after my husband, because I used to be a topper in mathematics.
Oh,
So, yeah.
um,
So I don't know, but yes, I will look into it because I have taught so many students at home. I used to teach them maths. So I don't know why my child doesn't listen to me. So Maybe she needs tuitions for maths?
See,
Do you
you
think she needs tuitions for maths?
See, ma'am, usually we don't emphasize on tuitions because we believe that child should learn at school itself. But if you feel that she needs extra attention with her studies, then go ahead. But otherwise, I'll talk to her maths teacher once. I'll ask her to give her more time. And when whatever concepts she's weak or she's not able to grasp it, she can guide her with that. Yeah.
Yeah, that would be great because I have been teaching maths at my coaching center, and the students I teach, they are doing so well in maths, and my
Oh,
own child is not listening to me. I like to teach her myself because that gives me more time to spend with her as well.
yeah,
Yeah,
I
yeah,
understand. Sometimes, children take their mothers for granted. So I can understand. It's fine.
yes. So is she a very naughty child or something? Like, how does she behave in class?
Oh, she is a very obedient child. And,
Okay,
whatever tasks I give her, for example, collecting notebooks, rearranging it, so that way she does it really well. She likes to lead in every task. Although we try to segregate all the tasks among children so that nobody feels left out. But yes, at times I feel she's quite talkative whenever especially in my subject English, whenever I teach her something, so at times she talks to her friends and I have to interrupt her, and I have to warn her sometime. So I would suggest you to just talk to her and guide her more, that not to interrupt and talk in between when teacher teaches. Yeah.
yes, yes, yes. I will definitely talk to her that, don't talk to your friends while the class is going on. She can
Yes,
wait for the break. So,
yes,
yes, I
yes.
will talk to her about it. So, how is her communication? Does she speak confidently in class?
Yeah, actually, she's quite good when it comes to communicating effectively, because 2 days ago,
Mhm.
we had an assembly where class 8 grade students had to speak on this particular topic. So,
Okay.
and your daughter delivered a speech on importance of education for kids, and she spoke quite well. I was really impressed. Although in classroom, whenever I ask her some questions related to, lessons or characters in the stories, then somewhere she hesitates. So I
Okay.
can just say, maybe she is not feeling comfortable right now that much because it's the beginning of a new
Mhm.
session. Although I will try to give her more speaking activities. See, our school conducts various speaking activities. It's like
Mhm.
1 minute topics, presentations day. So we have different activities that actually enhances communication skills. I'm sure that will help her a lot. So yeah.
Okay. Yes, yes. I will also look into it and I will try to give her a topic to speak on every day, even at home. That will
Yeah.
enhance her communication skills.
And
Yes.
that
I
way there is so much content, especially on YouTube, I have seen. So you can make her watch some TEDx talk or motivational speeches by famous speakers. So that way she can grasp some English sentences, because make sure it has to be in English. That way she'll improve her
Yes, yes,
English
yes,
and
yes.
communication both. So you can do that also at home.
Okay. So if we just compare her with other students, how is she in class? I mean, in terms of her communication and in terms of academics.
Yeah, see, like I said, overall she's doing well in all the subjects. She's doing fine, and her communication skills are also good. But yes, we are here to make child even better, excellent in all the areas. So yeah, we are making our efforts from our end with the help of activities, more exposure to different kinds of activities and co-curricular activities. So yes, that way she's doing well.
Okay. Does she take interest in co-curricular activities?
Yes, she does. Just recently, we conducted, there was Earth Day actually. We celebrated Earth Day, in which we
Okay.
provided some art material to students. And
Mhm.
she made something, although I don't remember it. I think it was a planet and a tree on it. She tried to do that. So, but the results aren't out yet. It will be out in within a day or two, and you will get to know.
Okay. Yeah. She likes to draw even at home whenever she's free. So she's very much into drawing and painting. So I
Oh,
think
that's
this
good.
is something she really loves. And we
Yeah.
should encourage it because if they do something that they love, they would excel at it because they like it so much.
Yeah,
Yes.
after summer break, there will be more activities related to art. So just
Mhm.
children will get the information in the class. So make sure she participates.
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
And you mean to say I should just work on her maths? I should give her some daily practice. And do you think I should give her some focused time for study? How should I make her study at home?
Well, ma'am, see, it depends from child to child. I tell every parent to motivate their children to give 40 to 60 minutes of time to their study.
Mhm.
Every day there should be focused and dedicated time towards study where they are not just completing their homework, but 10 or 15 minutes they give their time to reading as well. So
Mhm.
this way they can balance their overall academics and their communication and English skills also, because we all know that communication is the key to success. So we emphasize on that too. Her watch some talks on YouTube or other rich platforms. Second, just make her do her homework on time. Just create a fixed time for her in her timetable so that she can give her that time only to her studies. No screen time.
Mhm.
Please limit your child's screen time, I tell all the parents, because they
Yeah,
are actually
definitely.
ruining their brain health, mental health. Yeah. So that's something
Right,
I
right.
tell
And
everyone. Yeah.
yes, yes, yes. So you mean to say that there is no need to tell them to study for 2 to 3 hours. If they
No, no.
dedicate just 1 hour and they give full attention, 1 hour is enough for them because they need to play. Children need to play
Yes.
to grow well. That's
Yes.
also very important.
In fact, I tell parents, if you can really enroll your kids in some sports activities, definitely go ahead, because sports build discipline and sportsmanship in kids. So I believe sports are really crucial for every child's growth. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
That's
Yeah.
all from my
Thank you
end.
so much for this
Yeah.
insightful discussion. I mean, I know what to do to make her more disciplined and make her communication better.
Oh, great, great. It was nice interacting
Thank you
with you,
so
ma'am.
much.
Yeah, take care. Okay, we did a great
Hmm.
role play. I'm sure, dear viewers, you will enjoy this conversation that we had. See, you can
Yes.
tweak a little bit, okay? It's not necessary you have to stick to these kind of answers only, where you disagree with your teacher or parent, where you have your own opinions. Feel free to express in PTMs, because PTM is a time where you can actually discuss your child's growth and behavior. So I'm sure this role play will really guide you. And do let me know in the comment section what other kinds of videos would you like to watch on my channel. And here, Meenu ma'am, thank you so much for giving me your precious time and for doing this role play with me. I really enjoyed it with you.
I also enjoyed it so much. Having
Yeah,
this role play was much better than a normal conversation.
no,
So thank you
yeah.
so much for inviting me. Yeah, it was so much fun.